There we go. Video part 8, I think that's it, of repairing the thing. Just adjust the cog, this sprocket. Take the chain off before I put my gloves back on. Take the chain off. Gotta try and get the chain off. Try and take my weld. Just have to take my mask off to breathe a bit easier. Try and get this link on if I can. Donkey, get yucky that thing is. Let's clean up. I'll take that bit off. That thing off. Get off or not? That losing it. Nice losing those things. Oh, it's stuck to the thing. That's handy. Actually stuck to the that up there. It's up there out of the road. Put that off. Take that off and put up there and take the chain and put that there too. There. Oh good. Now see, I'll move that cog out of the road. Try and clean the. Oh dear, it's stuck again. Clean the thing. Take a gunk all over my fingers now. That's just annoying. Gunk all over my fingers. Holy heck. It's annoying. It's red my truck. It is, isn't it? Red my truck. Try. I'll try clean this a bit more. Let's clean it up a bit more. That gunk off. Clean that spot off. It's all paint on there. It's no good. Get the chain. Get that way. Clean all that gum. The axle's been cut through a bit, unfortunately, which is most annoying. I didn't rather done that till just now. It means one thing, the axe is going to be weaker. Hope it doesn't break when it shouldn't, because it's actually the first drive axle, so it should be okay, hopefully. Be okay, hopefully. Try and clean all that off if I can. Greaser, actually. Greaser, maybe actually. Pull off the camera. That paint, a little more chips. Try and clean it up if I can. So with that done, I put the cob in the right place. Put that up there. And then I'll go. Not exactly with the cob on the alternate, the chainsaw. Alternate chainsaw. And try and weld it. Tap it with a weld, with a tiny bit of weld, and check it again when I weld it. So it's in the right spot. I'll put the gloves out. Way over there. Way around. Put that way outside. Put that way over there instead. So it's not near the welder. Get heat up and catch fire. And hit this. I'm going to put the welding mask on. Welding mask. Welding mask. And helmet. Welding mask. Yes. Now weld that on. More welding. Let's just turn my mask back to welding. Oh, really? No, I forgot yet again. What I remember, just what I did. Well, and then I hope my eyes will go more. They're no good. But very bad for them. Very bad for them. Take well that. Put that on the shaft. See on there, like that. That's hot. Right there. pull the brush down, brush it down, one spot down, hold on a little bit, don't worry, should pull out on one side, and clean it. Doing 4 different spots, 3 different spots might be actually there. That's really quite catch. Perfect, we're done. Hooks are welded. Beautiful. Now, all welded nicely. That right us to just my whole welded I do for the iron husband. We're still gonna take forever. You ready? Stay in that one, right? Let's see if I'll clean it. Excellent. Now hold up. Marks off, turn the welder off, and roll it in. Take the cover and spray paint it. Clean that paint up there, turn it to cover and spray paint it. Give it a spray paint it. Gloves on, and spray, and then clean up, and spray paint it. And change it now rolling. I sort of doing after since I put the start making sparks everywhere. Very unbalanced. It's better now. well, one more spot. The other side. Do it now. Try some thinking about it. One more spot to go on the cups. One more spot, but even sort of bounce it a bit. So it might need to get a bounce it up down to it. Yeah. Right. Ready? Oh. We're done. Yeah, plant's not plant on. What's going on there? Ow. Ow. Yeah. Welling all over my hand. Ow. Yeah. Just got a hole in the tractor hand, that's why. Hole in the leg. A hole in the leg. One more spot. Just go like this, but I'll go in here. The welling mark is starting to get a top of it. Sticking up will dry. It started very dim when I first started using it 6-9 months ago. Very hard to see, and all of a sudden just got easier and easier to see, so I think the back is starting to go flat. It's really dry, I'm sure. Put that down off. There. And the welder on. I've got anything else to do. Oh, ow. Just turn it in. Oh, let's come back here. Let's turn this up. And clean all these welds up for the clean. Well, the cobs all clean. Our welds now. Look at that. Beauty. 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 Yeah, beauty. Got some of the old people would say. The English, the Australian people should say. Australian, English, Australian. Australians say that. And someone, the Sullivan's said that. Well, I think his name Bert. His name was Bert Duggan. I think his name was. He said that. You little beauty. He said. It's just a fancy way of saying that's amazing or well done, whatever it meant at the time. But I didn't take much notice. I was younger then, and I watched it. He wasn't live for very long in the show. He was live throughout the shows, but he obviously didn't want to play the part of being Bert Duggan anymore. So he started during the early episodes. He played the part of being someone who got badly blown to bits by badly blown apart by a bomb. So in the Second World War, so he got taken out the show pretty early in the show, which lasted about over 1,000 episodes. That's a lot of episodes. Set phone. It is, isn't it? It's a lot of episodes. So 17 minutes. It's okay. There we go. Dusty. No, it's okay. There's dust on it. I'll bring that. It's just down here. I should have brought it further over. It was right, so I thought it should be okay. I still should have brought it over anyway. Let's start cleaning. A little bit. There. There. Clean all these things up. Clean all these welds up. Clean them all up. Clean them all up. Clean. Get my eyes don't cloud again. Not there yesterday. They were going to plug before, they didn't think clean just here. I'm going to put that finger on the sheet. Rub it on there. And there like that. there, under there, down there, top there. Just that, that stuff. Bring that around there. This way. Now, this is the final part of adjusting the welds, but we've done all the ones that need to be done. Thankfully, I'm just going to paint over all the welding joints with undercoat, and then do the top coat tomorrow, the next day, and the second coat the day after tomorrow, or the day after that. And then we're all done. You're going to truck down to just go up. Then get some proper work done and getting the wiring done, but we'll probably pause it for a while whilst we get the try and get all that gold in there if we can. Okay, not gold in there if we can. Glove thing is getting bigger and bigger. It's going to split one of these hours, I'm sure. Can't say one of these days, maybe a day or two. I hope it'll last a week or two, hopefully, but maybe not even a month's day. It's been attached all the time. It's not good for it. It doesn't like it. Clean. And there, like that. Nice spot. Nice spot. There. Oh, move around so viewers can see what I'm doing. It's clean, red motor truck viewers. Clean red motor truck. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Think the best way to say it. The old fashioned way is always the best way. Maybe that might be the popular way of these days. Because it's not used these days by many people. But some people used it, thankfully, they do still. They've got more brains than other people have, I thankfully they have. They've got more brains to use the correct, the more simplified explanations for boy, girl, man and woman. But some just like to say person or viewers. I've been saying viewers up until now, but I still will say viewers. But I would every time I'll say boys, girls, men and women. Because it just seems a bit better to say that. It'd be more polite for the people that who used to be used to the old version of saying boys, girls, men and women, like in movie show the 90s, late 1980s show the silver chair when the girl Jill said saw Aslan for the first time, she's trying to trust him, and Aslan said, have you eight people, have you any? He said, is I squat boys, girls, men and women? And she said, yeah, I don't have to trust you. He said, but I said first I need a drink. And she had a drink, and then as I explained to her that her task was much more difficult than Eustace's task because she was the one that made Jill fall off the edge of the cliff. That made Eustace fall off the edge of the cliff, I should say. That's why. Try to clean up gunpowder again. Glove thing just about to break. It is. Have a last listen till I got this clean done. Use one of my fingers, I'm afraid. Looks like I'm doing that. might do some welding on the new truck frame. I got done the coat down. I'll bring you back into my clean shed once I've got done the coat down on it with my truck. So I might have time to do at least half an hour on the newest truck. Just to measure the pieces to get the welds in the right spot. I'll at least weld the 4 sections together that had to be welded. Start that anyway. Then I'll maybe have to stay outside for the next week or two because as long as it doesn't rain too much, we should be right. I don't want to have you on rusting like crazy. Very good. Looks really good, right? Oh, I got my hand caught in the sprocket. It's close. It's good now. I'll get my clean this sheet again. Clean the sheet. I'll tap it on the finger. And then the glove finger, I should say. Get that. Clean it up. Clean it up. All up there. There we go. All that rolling up. Clean wheels with the taps. Tap. Okay. Shape once I got the That's what I have to do. The wheels. Until it slides down, which is good. They do the other side, didn't I? The other side, that's good. That one looks okay. It's okay. Looks like it could be holding up, hopefully. So it is going to hold. It's going to hold. I think that's the end of the video. It's pretty finished now. 27 minutes. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.